This is the BMW N47D20 engine. It's manufactured in our own factory with original parts. 2.0-liter N47D20 engines have been produced since 2007 and are installed on all compact and medium-sized models of the concern, including mini cars. For some time, the diesel engines were installed on many Toyota compact vans and crossovers. Power output 116 to 218 horsepower, torque output 260 to 450 Nm. Cylinder block aluminum R4, locate aluminum 16E. Compression ratio 16 and 16.5 with twin turbo, and the fuel type is diesel. The engine was installed on BMW 125 series, BMW X1, X3, X5, Toyota Avensis, RAV4, Verso, Mini Countryman, Hatch, Peaceman, and Roadsters.